Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G10 and let me share with you how to soft reset, so how to force restart your device. So if you've got the situation that the screen did not respond for any touches, so it is freezed, and then you can try to soft reset and force restart your device. Thanks to this, your device will be turned off, and then turned on automatically, and the screen problem should disappear. So all you have to do in order to force restart your device is to just press the power button, which is right here, and volume up button together, and wait until we will see the black screen. So let me try to press both of those buttons, the volume up button and the power button together. Just ignore all the notifications that will appear after that. Let's hold it and wait. And as you can see, we just saw the black screen. And trust me, I felt the vibration. Here we've got the Android One logo. After that, the developer logo will appear. It will take a while, but no worries. And after that, the device will be just restarted. And I hope that the problem with the screen will disappear also. So actually, that's all. This is how to soft reset, how to force restart your NOKIA G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.